There are various profile types in Property Nexus CRM that allow the company to control who has the ability to create and access a record. Record access is done in 4 different ways: creating, viewing, editing, and deleting. Create access allows a user to create a record of that type. View access allows a user to see the information in a record. Edit access allows a user to make changes to fields in the record, and delete access allows for the deletion of a record from the CRM. The profiles are set out in a hierarchy, with the top level being the director, sales manager, and sales administrator. There is a separate profile for accountants that has different access rights than other profile types. The next level is that of team manager and administrator, followed by the broker. It is very important to get this hierarchy set up correctly in your company, and we will help you make sure that it is correct. All profiles have view and edit access for records owned by them. Team managers and administrators also have view and edit access to all records owned by members assigned to their team. The top level of profile for directors, sales manager, and the sales administrator have access to view and edit all records in the CRM. Deletion of records can only be done by the top tier of profiles: director, sales manager, and sales administrator. And this is to ensure that no data is lost accidentally or maliciously. The exception to these rules is that every profile, except accountant, can view all listings and project records. Also, the broker profile does not have access at all to the transaction and related modules of payment that the internal broker and accountant have. There are differences between the developer and agency CRM when it comes to records of projects, properties, and listings, and these tables highlight the differences. These tables can also be found in the screenshots accompanying this video on our website.